Once a new way of eating starts to feel normal, that's usually when drift begins. So this is a good time to check your direction, especially when you've been doing keto and carnivore. At first, there's a lot of attention and intention. So our food choices in the beginning were deliberate, our routines were structured, and our goals were clear. And then over time, the lifestyle becomes familiar and it feels easier and more automatic and less effortful. And trust me, that's a good thing. But it's also the phase where people stop adjusting as their body changes. So as your weight shifts, inflammation drops and your energy stabilizes and the body's needs change. And that's awesome. What worked though in the beginning may need small adjustments later. Portions may need to change, movement may need to increase, structure may need to tighten slightly, or sometimes it simply needs to be maintained more intentionally because that half a cup of yogurt now maybe becomes a cup of yogurt. When the new lifestyle becomes comfortable, it's easy to assume everything will continue moving forward on its own. But progress usually continues when habits are reviewed and adjusted along the way. So this is a good time to pause and reflect. What was the original goal when you started? Better labs, weight loss, strength, reversing a condition. So I want you to ask yourself, are your current habits still aligned with that goal, or have they stayed the same while your body has changed? Or have you not met those goals and you need some tweaking to what you're doing? If you feel a bit stuck or unsure, you don't need a full reset. Just make one small adjustment. Are you drifting slightly from your plan? Is movement where it needs to be now? Do portions need to adjust as your body changes? Do macros need to be adjusted as your body changes? Do you need more structure again? Do you need support or accountability for this phase? Most stalls and frustrations aren't failures. They're just signals that the next adjustment is needed. Comfort with the lifestyle is a good sign. Just make sure your habits are still moving in the direction you intended. And if you feel like you need some help with this, I'll put information in the description if you wanted a consult or some coaching. I'm Dr. Rose. I'll see you in the next video.